Love, for Stoics, is not a fleeting feeling. It is a choice, an action based on virtue. They believe true love stems from reason and wisdom. It's about caring for another person's well-being. Stoics don't rely on passionate love that can be fleeting and unstable. They believe in a love grounded in respect, trust, and shared values. This kind of love is about wishing the best for the other person. Stoic love is not possessive. It recognizes that everyone has free will. A Stoic loves another person for who they are. They don't try to change them. In essence, Stoic love is a commitment to virtue. It's about choosing to act with kindness, understanding, and respect towards your loved ones. Stoics believe in showing love through actions. It's about being there for someone in need. Offering support and encouragement are essential aspects of Stoic love. For example, a Stoic might express love by helping a friend through a difficult time. They might offer practical help or simply lend a listening ear. Stoics also demonstrate love through patience and understanding. They recognize that everyone makes mistakes. Forgiveness and compassion are crucial in Stoic relationships. In daily life, Stoic love manifests as small acts of kindness, generosity, and empathy. It's about putting the needs of others before your own when necessary. Section 4. The place of sacrifice. A Stoic perspective. Sacrifice is a part of life, and Stoics face it with acceptance. They understand that sometimes we need to give up something we value for the sake of something greater. Stoics don't view sacrifice as a loss. They see it as a choice made in line with their values. For example, a Stoic might sacrifice personal comfort to help a loved one in need. Sacrifice in Stoicism doesn't mean neglecting your own needs entirely. It's about finding a balance between self-care and caring for others. Ultimately, Stoics accept sacrifices with grace and understanding. They know that true joy comes from living a virtuous life, even if it involves temporary discomfort. Section 5. Balancing love and sacrifice. A life of virtue. Stoicism offers a framework for balancing love and sacrifice. It teaches us to love without attachment to outcomes. We can love someone deeply while accepting that life is unpredictable. Stoics believe in focusing on what they can control, their own actions and reactions. They accept that relationships evolve and sometimes sacrifices are necessary. The key to Stoic love is to act virtuously in all situations. When faced with challenges, Stoics rely on their values to guide their choices. In conclusion, Stoic love is a journey of growth and understanding. It involves both joy and sacrifice. By embracing Stoic principles, we can navigate the complexities of love with wisdom and resilience.